Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel Home Canvas. Today I'll show you how you can turn a simple jar into a beautiful aesthetic planter. I have mentioned all the materials for you, so let's begin. So first we need to take an empty jar and you just have to take out its sticker. Now it's ready to use and we just need a hot glue gun to create design on the jar. I'm using water just to make it smooth. Here is one tip for you. Don't use glue gun on a high temperature. First turn it on. When the glue starts melting, just turn it off and then use it. It became easy for you to use it like that. And don't put your finger on it rapidly. Just wait for a few seconds and then tap with your fingers. You can make any design with the glue gun, line, circle or any design of your choice. Also guys, if you are new to my channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. For those who don't know, I make lots of DIYs using waste materials. So what are you waiting for? Just press subscribe and get along. Getting back to our jar, now it's time to make a paint. Here I'm using off-white acrylic color, and if you have beige color, better use that. Now I add a little bit of golden acrylic paint to it and mix it well. First I apply the paint with the help of brush and then I use sponge for creating texture effect on it. And it looks like this once it's finished. Here the paint is wet, so we need to wait till it's dry. After letting it dry completely, here is the look. Now we have to take white and black acrylic paint. Use any old brush to create this splash look on the jar. Look how beautiful it turned out. Now repeat the same process with white acrylic paint. Now I'm taking a rope to cover the upper part of the jar. And there we go, here's the final look and I really like it. Please let me know in a comment section, when are you going to try it? This will give your home a very cozy effect and it looks super nice. If you have any other suggestion, please let me know. Till then, bye bye.